Hello, it's Michael Watts here, and in this video we're going to find out if flatwound strings work with a flat top guitar. Before we go any further, I'd like to point out that this is a very serious experiment. It is no way conducted in the spirit of fun or light-hearted dicking about. I love the sound of well-recorded solo jazz guitar, a Gibson 175 or an L5 or something like that, in the hands of players like Jim Hall or Joe Pass or Barney Kessel. That's my idea of a good time. Now, I know that what we're hearing in the majority of these beautiful recordings is an electric guitar, to all intents and purposes, going into an amplifier. But I was wondering if it might be possible to get a similar sound using just a flat top acoustic guitar. I'm not expecting a set of flatwound strings to turn this guitar into a 60s 175, any more than I'd expect a set of gauge 9s to turn it into a Fender Stratocaster. But you never know, we might find something sonically interesting. Now, as many of you know, I am an endorsing artist for Elixir Strings. However, they don't make flatwounds, and so I had to go to the competition. I've got a set here of D'Addario XL 12 to 52, so a little lighter in the bass than I'd normally go. And it is the ECG25 set, which promises warm/mellow tone. So I'm going to play some different styles of music, use a couple of different tunings, and we'll see what happens. So there you have it, flat wound strings on a flat top guitar. That was a lot of fun. I think that for certain styles it was a lot more successful than for others, and I'm not sure that I'd want my main guitar to be wearing flat wound strings all the time, but it certainly did encourage experimentation and finding new tones, especially with the picking hand, and that's always a good thing. So yeah, I enjoyed that. Now, if you found this video interesting, entertaining, or indeed educational, please do subscribe to support my channel. Drop me a like and let me know your thoughts on the sound of flat wound strings on a flat top guitar. Until next time, stay tuned.